If you want to learn how to send emails with Mailchimp, this video will walk you through the process step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end, you'll know how to create an email campaign, choose a layout, customize the content, and send it to your audience with confidence. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Mailchimp account and look for the Create button. Click Create to start a new campaign. From the options that appear, click Email. This tells Mailchimp that you want to build and send an email campaign, rather than a post or another type of content. Next, choose Regular. Regular email campaigns are the standard option for sending a message to your subscribers. After that, Mailchimp will ask you to give your campaign a name. Type in a clear name so you can easily identify it later, then click Begin to move forward. Now, you'll be taken into the email builder. The next step is to select your design. Click Design, and then choose Basic Layout. This gives you a clean starting point that you can customize however you want. Once the layout is selected, you can start shaping the email to match your message and your brand. After choosing the layout, select the tone or style you want for the email. This helps set the feel of the message, whether you want it to be professional, friendly, promotional, or simple. Then begin editing the main sections of the email. Start with the headline, because that's often the first thing your readers will notice. Make it clear, attention-grabbing, and relevant to the purpose of the email. Next, edit the text body. Add your message, update any details, and make sure the wording is easy to read and encourages your audience to take action. After that, update the image section if your template includes one. You can add a relevant image, replace the current one, or remove it if you want a cleaner design. Then scroll down and edit the footer. The footer is important because it usually includes your business details, unsubscribe information, and other necessary compliance text. Make sure everything here is accurate and up to date. As you edit each section, take a moment to review the email as a whole. Check the spacing, the wording, the images, and the overall layout so your email looks polished before you send it. Once you're happy with everything, click Save and Exit. This saves your progress and takes you back to the campaign workflow. From there, when you're ready to send the email, click Send. Mailchimp will guide you through the final sending steps, and then your email will go out to your audience. And that's how you send emails with Mailchimp in just a few simple steps. You created the campaign, chose a basic layout, customized the content, and sent it out successfully. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on popular software tools.